Welcome to Maxunk Media. For info, update, keep in touch.
Good evening, or wherever you are, receive my greetings. Now this today, the tip that we want to look up, or the tip that we want to talk about, is VLOOKUP. The VLOOKUP here is a function in spreadsheets, precisely Excel, that enable us to pick or query selected or a particular data from a record of table. Okay, let's assume you have a lot of records in a particular table, and then you are looking for just some selected or some particular record from the table. Now, since the data or the record in the table is bunch, you can't be going through it one after the other. Hence, the VLOOKUP is there to help you out. Okay, so with time, let's just go straight and look up the tip for the day. So the tip for the day is what? VLOOKUP function. Okay, so so now select your usual assignment, then VLOOKUP. Okay, so now let's look at the functions of the argument that the VLOOKUP accepts. The VLOOKUP accepts what? Lookup value. The lookup value is the value or the data you are querying, you want to query or you want to search for from the table. Okay, then the second function, which is what? The table array. The table array is the table that you are looking you want to query the specific data from. Okay, the table array is a table where you want to query or you want to pick the specific data from. And then the column index is the column where you want to pick the data from. Then the range lookup. The range lookup is talking about the exact value or the approximate match. So let's look at what goes into it. Now, our lookup value here, we want to pick anything from this cell F7. Okay, F7, anything from that cell. When it matches the table, you pick it, you print it out for us. So the table array is this. Our table here is the table array we are talking about. So anything from this particular cell F7 here, when it matches any whatever that we will pick from this table, you print it for us. So the next thing is the column index. The column index here, we want to print the age. So column 1, our name here becomes column 1, column 2, column 3. Okay, column 1, column 2, column 3. So we want to print the age. So the column index, we pick 3 for the column index. Then the next thing is the true, which is approximate match, and then false, which is the exact match. And we want to pick the exact match, which is the false. So we pick the false. Now we close our bracket. So F7, which is this particular cell, telling us anything in this cell, when it matches anything from this table, precisely the column 3, which is the age, which is column 3 here, which is the age, then it will print us the exact thing. Okay, you should print us the exact thing. Then you hit your enter key. Now you are having this n stroke a, which is nil, because, or error. That means error because this place is empty and there is nothing in. So assuming we type name, let's assume name, we type name here, then hit enter, we will have our age here. So it is picking it from the table. And then when we type, let's say Jata Sabina, we hit enter, it is picking it. Mean it looked through. Now let's come back to the formula. So it looked through, it pick the cell F7 here, the value inside, and compare it to the table arrays, this particular table, and it looked through the column 3, which is the H column. And when this thing matches whatever that is in there, then it prints out the value from it. So looking at it, the column 3 there we have Jata here as the name we are looking for. So from it, look through it and we have Jata in it, and it matches it with the age, and we have the age printed out as 23. So
thanks for watching. Subscribe.